Japanese folktale, The Crane's Return. Once upon a time, there lived a close old man and woman. One cold winter day, the old man decided to go to town to sell some firewood. While walking along a snowy road, the old man found a crane caught in a trap and unable to move. Feeling sorry for the crane, the old man gently removed the trap and saved the crane. That night, as a heavy snowfall fell, a beautiful young girl came to visit the old man and woman. The girl said that she had lost her parents and was on her way to seek help from distant relatives. The old man and woman felt sorry for her and decided to let her into their home, give her a warm meal, and let her stay the night. The snow didn't stop the next day, or the day after that. The daughter cooked meals, cleaned, and did her best to take care of her grandparents. One day, the girl said, "Instead of going to live with my unknown relatives, please let me be your daughter." The old man and woman were very happy with her kind words and readily agreed. A little while later, the daughter asked her grandfather, "Please buy some thread for me, as I want to weave beautiful cloth." When the grandfather brought back the thread, the daughter said to them seriously, "Please promise me that you will never peek into my room while I am weaving the cloth." So the girl shut herself up in her room and continued weaving without sleep for 3 days and 3 nights. 3 days later, the girl finished weaving a beautiful cloth and handed it to the old man and woman. "Sell this in town and buy more thread." The cloth that the girl wove was the most beautiful thing anyone had ever seen, and it quickly became famous in the town and sold for a high price. When the old man bought new thread, the girl retreated to her room again and wove an even more beautiful cloth this time. However, when the girl retired to her room to weave the third piece of cloth, the old woman, desperate to see how she was weaving, broke her promise and secretly peeked into the room. What appeared there was not a beautiful girl, but a crane, thin and emaciated, with all its feathers plucked out. The crane was weaving beautiful cloth while plucking its own feathers. Then, a young girl appeared holding the cloth she had just finished weaving. "I am the crane that you saved that day. I wanted to be with you as your daughter forever, but now that you have seen me, I can no longer stay here." The girl said this sadly, turned back into a crane, and, seeing off the old man and woman, flew away into the sky, never to return. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.